So how do you transform a full football match video clip into a football highlight video without any copyright issues? Early last year, I posted a video on this topic. Here is a video, and in this video, I showed you how to use YouTube Fair Use guidelines to make football highlight videos free of any copyright claims. I showed you a few websites you can use to download full football matches and explain how to edit the videos following the YouTube Fair Use guidelines. Now, what I didn't show you on this video was the step-by-step process on how to follow the YouTube Fair Use guidelines, plus the fact that many things have changed since then, not forgetting the many unanswered technical questions on this video. As you can see here, the video has over 6,000 views as well as over 2,000 comments on the video page. Now, I've created a video tutorial course that will help take you step by step through the process of transforming a full football match video clip into a highlight video clip for your YouTube channel without any copyright claims. You'll find a link to that in the resource box below this video. So, to be able to transform a full football video match into a YouTube highlight video, you first need to know where to get the full football video clips to use for your highlight videos. And not only that, you want to look for websites that will help you easily find the main actions or events in a match that will help facilitate the whole process of transforming your video. You see, you need to know which parts of the full match you would like to split or cut out to use as a highlight video, even without ever watching the full match. And that's where this video tutorial course comes into play. The tutorial videos or lessons will show you where to find full match video clips to download. Now, you want to make sure to check the resource area here because there are updated websites to download your full matches not mentioned in this video. There is also this video tutorial that will show you the easiest way to find actions or events to use as your football highlight video. The tutorial video will show you how long your video clip should be to fall under the YouTube Fair Use guidelines. Now, when it comes to editing or transforming the splitted clips, there are two parts because, as you know, any error here will lead to a copyright claim. So you want to pay attention to the first and the second part of these video tutorials. In these videos, you'll be learning what effects to use at what time to help transform your videos so your video is free of any copyright claims. You'll also be getting a couple of free effects that you can use to further transform your videos if you choose. You are also going to get a step-by-step tutorial on how to optimize your videos for more views. Now, we all know that to get views to your videos on YouTube nowadays is very challenging, and it's even worse for anyone just starting out on YouTube. The good news is the easiest way to start getting views to your videos on YouTube, especially if you're a beginner, is by optimizing your video content. And that's why in this section you'll be learning all that and how to write attractive video titles and create attractive video thumbnails for your football highlight videos. Yeah, finally it's time to talk about what you really get after the hard work of creating all these videos on your channel and how to take it to the next level by making money with your videos without YouTube AdSense. Okay, in most of these video tutorials, there are resource areas for even more tips, links, and even resources that will make the whole process of creating highlight videos a breeze. So you always want to make sure to check the resource areas below each video. Now, as extra bonuses, you'll also be getting tutorials on how to create football highlight logos, and actionable channel growth checklist that will take you through this checklist on all the different channel growth tips. All you have to do is click to expand each of these and you'll get detailed videos and tips that will help you get your channel properly optimized for higher views and subscribers. You'll also be getting my secret traffic generation strategy. I can almost guarantee you that by following the tips I shared in these traffic generation videos, it will help any videos struggling to get views to their channel. Now, you'll be getting all these with future updates and much more for a one-time low price of $13.95. But if you are one of the early birds on the page, you'll get it for just $9.95. You can just consider this as a way of thanking me for the time and effort and even money I spent to put all this together. We all know the World Cup is around the corner. The football season at its peak will soon be flowing around the world. And as you know, the Football World Cup also comes with a lot of football footages that you can get with little editing to create your highlight videos. So this tutorial on how to edit and upload football highlight videos on YouTube without any copyright claims is for who? Well, if you have been thinking of starting a football YouTube channel, then of course this is for you. If you have already been trying to upload football highlight videos on YouTube and YouTube has constantly been hitting you with copyright claims, then again, this is for you. If you are a football fan and you want to share your opinions through football highlight videos, then this is also for you. If you just want to create an evergreen channel in the football highlight niche and start generating passive income, then this is for you. So with all that, what are you still waiting for? Quickly click on the first link below this page and get to that page before the price goes up.